photographer.
Oh, okay,
I shoot
cool.
people in the community and the culture and around the city.
Okay, nice.
Promote the city and the people and stuff like that.
Cool, I love it.
My pandemic hair is just getting crazy. Like, it's been like 3 months or something since the barbers have been open here in the city, and like, man, I need a cut. I need a cut, man. Like, I'm going delirious. So I'm starting a new series on the channel I call Four Corners, and the idea is to go to different intersections in the city and stand on each corner of the intersection for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and, you know, constrain myself to shooting just within that area, and hopefully I'll be able to capture some of the energy and the culture and the community that exists in these different areas. And, you know, my goal for this project is really, you know, to capture a slice of what Toronto's like right now as we go through the pandemic, and as well to capture some of the diversity that exists in a lot of these different areas and how people change the way they behave or the way they dress, etc., as they move through to these different neighborhoods and stuff like that in the city. So I hope you guys are continuing to be safe, and let's jump into Four Corners episode 1.